Dear students, we are seeing games of race and skill. Let us see one more question in a different model. A can run 224 meters in 28 seconds and B in 32 seconds. A can run 224 meters in 28 seconds and B can run 224 meters in 32 seconds. By what distance A beat B? That is the question. See here, 224 meters, A will take 28 seconds, B will take 32 seconds. Now, distance by time, speed is equal to distance by time. So, let us first calculate first speed of B, that is speed of B equal to 224 meters by 32 because distance is 224 and it is taking 32 seconds. So, that will give rise to 7 meters per second. Now, we want by what distance A can beat B. Now, distance by B, if you take distance by B equal to, now A is taking 20 seconds, B is taking 32 seconds. So, the difference between A and B is 4 seconds. The difference between, so in 4 seconds, how much will B travel? That is 7 into 4, that is equal to 28 meters. That's all is answer, dear students. So, what we have done is speed of B is equal to 22 by 224 by 32, that is equal to 7 meters per second. Distance by B in 4 seconds because the difference between A and B is 4 seconds. So, 7 into 4 is 28 meters. In the same way, there is one more question for you. Please solve and post the answers, all of you dear students. In a 100 meters race, previously it was A covers the distance in 36 seconds and B covers the same distance in 45 seconds. In this race, A will beat B by how many meters? I repeat the question. In a 100 meters race, A covers the distance in 36 seconds and B will cover the same distance in 45 seconds. In this race, A will beat B by how many meters? Options are there: 20 meters, 9 meters, 22.5 meters and 25 meters. So, dear students, by 8 p.m. tomorrow, so answer will be displayed. Thank you, dear students.